Singapore could be one step closer to transporting people and cargo using electric aircraft. Its first locally designed and built electric aircraft took flight overseas, paving the way for further research into advanced air mobility. This as the country explores the potential of the emerging low-altitude economy. Charlotte Lim with more.
It takes off like a helicopter and flies like a plane. Meet the first locally designed electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL. It's capable of soaring to more than 90 meters and reaching speeds of over 120 kilometers per hour. But these flights aren't just about how high or fast they can go. The data collected will help researchers refine the technology, with a longer-term goal of scaling it up to carry people and cargo.
Singapore always calls itself the aerospace nation, right? So we want to truly give Singapore the ability to actually also design, engineer, and build its own aircraft from the start. And we don't want to just build a small model airplane. We want to build at least a large, full-size aircraft.
His team received a multi-million-dollar grant from the government to develop the technology. They spent a month testing the aircraft at a facility in Germany. A key challenge was ensuring the eVTOL could hover like a helicopter, then transition to forward flight using its rear propeller. That allows the aircraft to take off without a runway before switching to a more efficient way of flying once it's in the air. The team says taking the technology to market will ultimately depend on funding and investor interest. Now, you won't be hopping into one of these anytime soon, but the country is already exploring where eVTOLs like these could eventually fit into the emerging low-altitude economy. And given our congested airspace and well-connected transport network, their potential may lie beyond getting around the island, in areas like cross-border travel and cargo deliveries to neighbouring countries. An industry association says while Singapore is still in the early stages of adopting eVTOLs, there are opportunities for existing aerospace companies. This includes those in maintenance and repair to move into the sector.
Some naturally, of course, may want to play a role in the design of eVTOLs. Some may want to go into critical parts, critical components, especially components that are higher value adding for the eVTOLs. So whichever the case, I think is important. The key boils down to two things: company assessing the opportunities and weighing this opportunity with the risk involved in the investment.
He adds that safety must remain the priority as the industry takes off.